now. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh shit. The news. Have you seen the news?
No.
It's talk. It's your sex tape.
What?
It's viral. It's all over Twitter and Instagram, and millions of people in India are protesting.
Arkansas is rioting.
It's sex-shaming bullshit. What do you want us to do?
I don't know. No, don't follow me. I need to be alone. I didn't want any of this! I didn't even want to be alive. Why are you doing this? Now the entire world thinks I'm a slut. Probably have me destroyed just like every other spiritual leader since the dawn of time.
Humans are tedious, are they not? Do not flee.
Oh, I'm having a mental breakdown.
Incorrect.
Who are you?
I'm Aya, wife of Utu. The cult of Sarita worshipped me for 2,000 years. Also your sister-in-law.
Right. Mm-hmm.
You carry divine lineage. In Babylon, some 4,000 years ago, your spirit governed the greatest civilization on the planet. At a time when men and women were beloved equals.
So why am I the only one?
Ishtar came into your body when you were ready to take your own life. Marks the dawn of a new era in which the world honors the sacred feminine once more.
But someone made a sex tape of me last night.
Sex is beautiful. Repression is perverse.
So what do I do?
Offer them truth. The truth wears no clothes.
Oh, Goddess.
Did you see the news?
Yes.
Aspen and Bea have disappeared. I let a snake into your house.
Aspen? That fucking bitch. It doesn't matter. I need you to put together a press list. To end all press lists.
Okay, yes.
I got it. Count on me.
Sex is beautiful. Repression is perverse.
Please hold your questions until after the goddess has finished.
Are you our other lover? Is she trying to get pregnant?
Twitter's calling this the porn of the century. Any comments?
Silence! If you seek the truth, open your eyes. I present Goddess Ishtar.
Did you know that you were being filmed?
Are you considering a career in porn, perhaps?
Are the rumors true about you and Jay-Z?
Maybe trying girl on girl?
Have you talked to Beyonce?
I used to be immortal, just like you. Yeah, it's true. I got sad. I got headaches. Now I'm a goddess. I have riches, powers, disciples. But the biggest difference between being a goddess and being immortal is shame. When my naked body goes viral and you utter shame, the shame is on you. The truth is naked. I have been naked for 4,000 years. This is no revelation.
You're impure! You human half-breed! You give into the same damn impulses as the rest of us. I mean, if I am gonna worship somebody, she had better be perfect. The best relationship she had was somebody on
That's messed up. But YOLO, okay, whatever.
Any questions?
Okay. Yes. Yes, girl.
Careful, Abji, please don't hurt yourself.
It's okay, I just need to practice.
Beth.
Still pissed she called me a half-breed. Maybe that's how I turned her into dust. I just had to be really pissed off.
Well, it's kind of true, you know.
What?
My mom was born in Iraq. She escaped to Iran when she was 12. It is what it is.
I'm half Iraqi?
You are all goddess, Junam.
Oh my God. Oh God, no. Oh.
Your pilgrimage begins now.
God! Could you please stop scaring me?
Only in ancient Babylon will you learn to control your powers. Find your way home.
Ancient Babylon.